Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to check how to lock and unlock sewing speed in Juki button LK1903A model. See now, speed locked in 1000 RPM. Machine running in very slow. How to increasing the speed, watch the full video. Press the ready button, the green light will be off. Then press the M button. Now displaying program number 1. Press the ready button. Then set your required speed limit. For example, I am setting 2300 RPM. Then press ready button. Then press M button and again press the ready button. See now, speed is increasing. Check the running speed.